We know that Samsung DEX can transform your social media campaign in your phone into a more efficient tool on a desktop. With multitasking, easy typing, and a very responsive user experience, you can say that Samsung DEX can also be applied to different fields. Let's ask ourselves, what do we do in a real personal computer that we can also do with our phones? Yes, use it for our business. Simple business workflow includes record keeping, communication, and social media advertising. These three things are basically the things that we do with our smartphones. With record keeping, we use notes applications, spreadsheets, and word processors. We have already covered this up in our previous videos. With a mouse and keyboard, it's even easier for you to encode something to spreadsheets and perform calculations. You can even write documents, save it, and send it through email. With communications, Skype, Messenger, and Gmail are great tools that works well with DEX. My own experience showed me that these apps are working pretty well on DEX. However, Messenger seemed to lose the push notifications if it's not clicked on. With social media campaigns, you can have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter ready to do anything for you. Our last video showed the pros and cons of our social media apps in a DEX environment. But overall, you can use them all day, with some minor adjustments on the quirks and oftentimes issues that some apps might throw to you along the way. You can do advertising, announcements, and even sell stuff online through these channels. So can DEX do these things well? Positively, yes. In fact, you can use multiple apps at the same time with the multitasking capabilities of Samsung DEX. Do you want to have a Skype or Messenger call? You can use your Samsung device as a camera and microphone while it is docked. If you want to keep the communication discreet, you can also use a Bluetooth headset. Phone calls, you can also do that just fine. In fact, you can make a call while your phone is doing other things. It's like extending the use capacity of your smartphone. Well, when it comes to the problems of DEX doing all these functions for your business, there's a few. Since it's a smartphone, you have limited hardware leeway. When doing video calls or voice calls, your phone might be working overtime to accommodate the apps you're running. Thankfully, the DEX dock can alleviate that problem with its cooling features through its fan. If you're an already established company, DEX might not be a good idea for you in a long-term business use. However, where DEX shines the most is to the budding entrepreneur who wanted to adapt a more agile workflow by using the powerful computer in their pockets, their smartphone. Thank you for watching this episode of our Practical DEX series. Our next video will be about using DEX as a travel companion. We asked the question, will it even work? Like and subscribe to CBD Repair Centre. Till next time.